Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a comment to a post on Facebook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home icon and select the post to which you would like to write a comment to. So tap on the comment button, and here, as you can see, there are many emojis that you can add. So click on the relevant ones and tap on the button send if you want to add emojis, but you can also write a proper comment. So type it in and then click on the send button again. You have the chance to add a picture to your comment by tapping on the camera icon. So here your camera roll will appear to you, and you should select either a video or a photo. So again, click on the send button to send it. If you want to add an avatar, you can tap on the avatar button, or you can also send GIFs and these stickers as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.